Okay, so we have our egg nest, primary, secondary, tertiary. We have ovulation, the release of the ovum, corpus luteum, and corpus albicans. And here it's white, it's atrophy. Here they're showing the egg is making its journey, and fertilization takes place in the tube. The sperm has to swim up through, it gets deposited somewhere over here. It's got to swim through the os, up through here, into the tube, and find the egg and fertilize it in here. That's where it typically takes place. And then here's fertilization, right? Here's your sperm finding the egg. And it's got to penetrate the corona radiata and then penetrate into the egg, into the ovum, where the 23 chromosomes in the sperm and the 23 chromosomes in the ovum will make 46 chromosomes, a diploid cell, the zygote. This is what happens after fertilization. This is the beginning of the developing fetus. This will undergo rapid mitotic cell divisions and start making more. This is still just one, but here it went through a division. So it's starting to make new cells. It starts with making copy, 2 cells, and those 2 cells make 4, and it goes up exponentially. And then those cells begin to specialize and form the fetus. This is all embryology. It's a little bit past. It's another chapter in the book, another chapter that we unfortunately are not going to be doing. But embryology, from fertilization to birth, the development of a new human from one cell, pretty cool stuff. One undifferentiated cell giving rise to the 200 plus different cell types and all the structures of our body. It's kind of neat. And it has to be perfect. No mistakes. Any mistake along the way, you have probably a dysfunctional, non-viable, dead offspring. There's a couple of mistakes that can occur where birth will still occur. But most mistakes, any mistake along the way, will typically end in a non-viable offspring. Will typically end in miscarriage. A miscarriage is the body's way of getting rid of a mistake. I don't mean mistake in a bad sense, a mistake in that developmentally something went wrong, and let's not go any further. Because this is now, a damaged fetus. So miscarriage, as emotionally sad as it is actually the body's way of making sure perfection is maintained. Okay? That there's no mistakes.